Australia has some of the finest and freshest ingredients in the world, yet a lot of children still don't know what certain vegetables are or where their food actually comes from. Multi-award-winning chef Peter Shepherd, who runs one of Greater Sydney's finest family dining destinations, has stepped in to share his knowledge.
I love the teamwork, the camaraderie, and the dedication that goes into making great food.
It's this passion and creativity that I want to share with the younger generation.
Each episode, I'll be taking 2 local kids on a culinary adventure here in my chef's kitchen.
This is Foodie School.
Today we're joined by Sienna and Andre. Welcome to my kitchen.
Hello. Hello.
So today we're going to be making something delicious you can eat for breakfast. Do you like ham and cheese croissants?
Yes. Yes.
Awesome, because that's what we're going to be making today. Have you ever had muffins at school? Little savoury ones? Do you love zucchinis?
Yes.
You do?
Yeah.
You're the only kid in the world that loves zucchinis. Andre, you're going to put all these ingredients in the bowl for me. Flour, the ham, the cheese. So, Sienna, I'm going to get you to start by doing some grating. Straight on, keeping your fingers away. Little up and down like that. While she's doing that, Andre, and you're having a little dance, into this bowl you're going to put 1 egg. That's it, in it goes. Uh-oh. Any shell?
Nope. You must be joking. What do eggs do for fun?
I don't know. What do eggs do for fun?
Karaoke. Karaoke.
Okay, into there we're going to add some spinach. We're going to add your vegetables.
Hello, vegetables.
What do you think these 2 are? Any idea?
Is that spices?
This one's flaxseed. Flaxseed is going to give you lots of nutrients and vitamins, make you grow strong. This one's chia. Have you heard of chia?
Yes.
This is going to keep you full all day and give you lots of energy so you can run around and...
We already have enough energy.
I can see that, yes. And last of all, what's this guy?
Croissant. A croissant, yeah.
Yeah, do you know where croissants are from?
France?
Close.
Austria.
Austria, you're right. Did you know that? I didn't know that either, to be honest. She's smart at school?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I need you to do is just rip off pieces like this and throw it in the bowl, okay? Some with that as well.
Goodbye.
Just ripping them up, getting close together.
I'm ripping up. Oh, I love croissants.
We're going to give it a really good mix. Now what we need to do is take these little tins. You're going to do half each.
I'm running out of pastry.
You'd be good at sharing, right? Since you've known each other so long.
Did you just say married?
Do you want to be married?
No. Ew, gross. No.
No?
Because we haven't known each other for that long.
You've known each other a pretty long time.
Only 2 years.
How long do you need to know each other before you can get married?
1,500,000. We're gonna be dead.
How do they look?
Perfecto. I speak 3 languages. Italian, obviously Australian, and Spanish.
Wow. What do you think they're going to taste like? Tell me in Spanish.
Fantástico. Perfecto. Es delicioso.
Delicioso?
Delicioso.
Sounds like a Harry Potter spell. Okay, we're going to go and put them in the oven. Off we go. How do you think you went?
Very good.
All right, grab one out. Let's pull one. They look nice and moist. Excellent. What do you think?
Delicioso.